This shit's probably gonna fall, but that's alright. Okay. Still can't come out. There we go. One more backfire. There. Yes. 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 Pick that up. Yes. What's up? This wheel is off. It's off of there. Yes. Oh, check that shit out, man. Shit, I just took the tire off. Uh-oh. Oh, cool. Damn. Check that out. Yeah, fuck you. Hell yeah. Alright. 2015 Bmws1000rr. Doing the sprocket changes, both sprockets, and getting a new chain on it. Taking that old crusted thing off. She's pretty fucking dirty, but it's just because I haven't been riding it. Big ass socket. That's a 34 millimeter to get this back tire off. There's this old ass nasty ass dumbass sprocket right here. And this is the tools that I've used. It's a tiny ass T25, T30 with, you know, ratchet, that, hammer. I use these two to beat the socket out, to beat this pull out. And I had to take my quick shifter off of there to get this plate off, that one. And I'm finna take off the front sprocket. So, here we go. And I'm gonna be honest, I think it's a 32, but I'm not sure. So we will find out. $32 and a 30 socket. think it's gonna be 32, maybe. Let's see. And it is. That's a 32mm socket right there. So it's in first right now. And let me get this big motherfucker right here. And we are going to take this off of. Okay, I guess I went in neutral. Let's see. How about this? Ooh. Big motherfucker. Hey, that does it. That does it. Shoot. That's hot. Fuck yeah, dude. I put the new front sprocket on right there, and that's a lock washer, and it goes in there like that. And then when you put the nut on, which is a 32mm, you're gonna bend that back so then it goes around these and it won't move, obviously. And what I also did is I took my chain tool, my chain breaker tool, and I broke the chain, took it off, and I tightened the, I don't know what's called these, tighten those back down to obviously nothing. And that takes a, look, 13, right here. Those take a 13 wrench. Excuse the music. My dad's playing music in his garage. But I torqued these down to about 25 to 30 foot-pounds. This is the rear sprocket. I got them all tightened down, put the new sprocket on, clean the wheel up. And there's the old sprockets. Ready to new. So now I'm gonna put this on there and torque it up. And I will be back with another update. Alright, update time. So I put the chain through. It's in first, so I hold the clutch and then it's moved. And there's a lock washer, which is a washer. You know, it goes on, and I put blue Loctite on this nut, and I torqued this nut. It's a 32. I said it many times. It's a 32mm, and I torqued this down to 90 foot-pounds. And then you get a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and you bend the washer on the nut. And yeah, another update coming soon. Alright, it's been a minute. I don't remember if I said I got that all buttoned up right there. And I had to take a link out. Let me see if I can find it. Hang on, there it is. So I took out this much. A whole link and, you know, or 2 links, 3 links, whatever. That much for the chain. And it seems kind of tight. But I think it's gonna be okay. So I'm sitting at right now. I'm fixing to tighten this rear axle nut. That is it's a 34mm nut. I put a little bit of blue Loctite, and I'm about to torque it to 75 foot-pounds. Got the new sprocket on, chain. These good. And T30. Blue Loctite. Oh, and I'm putting on the cover. Okay. Just like that. And 30. Let's try 4 bolts.